Last year, Mercedes-Benz introduced a brand new CLA class for its model lineup, the CLA250 and the CLA45. And today, I'm proudly to present to you the 2014 CLA45 AMG, which has brought many success to Mercedes-Benz. With its aggressive new design, it has attracted many young buyers that would never before consider buying a Mercedes. Bold, wide, and upright, the CLA grille is an instantly recognizable icon of automotive passion, an emotion only heightened by its signature AMG double crosswing design. The aggressively aerodynamic lower bodywork of the CLA45 greets the wind head-on with a deep front apron featuring large mesh air intakes and functional black winglets. The air-damped lower cross strut is finished in silver shadow. The side also feature silver shadow side inserts, and the rear diffuser within the sculpted rear valance. A black mesh texture insert sets off the diffuser and frame the forward chrome tailpipes. Inspired by its trendsetting big brother, the CLS class, the CLA offers countless flowing curves joined by crisp, sweeping arcs to create three-dimensional sculpture that's enticing from every angle, frameless door glass, an expressive front facial, and taunted proportion define it as a true and truly modern Mercedes-Benz coupe. Let's take a closer look at the front. Here is the bi-xenon headlamps. It helps deliver greater visibility than halogen headlamps because they're brighter. Whiter light is much closer to natural daylight. Integrated into the bi-xenon headlamps is the bright white LED daytime running light, helping increase the visibility of the vehicle to oncoming traffic by illuminating front lights whenever the car is switched on. The CLA45 comes standard with a set of 18-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels. Behind the wheels are the large, perforated and internally ventilated disc brake, help to better dissipate the hot gases generated during hard or repeated braking. Turbo AMG emblem. Side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light. Also come with the upgraded option. Both the front and the rear have the racy red painted brake calipers with black AMG logo. Add some visual heat to the high performance AMG brake hardware. To the back, you see the distinctive LED tail lamps with fiber optic effect that's equally attention-getting. The LED turn signal lamp and the LED brake lamp. The black mesh grille sets off the diffuser and the quad chrome tip exhaust with dual sound mode. The car does come with the keyless entry remote. Alright, let's look at the interior. The interior features two-tone colors, brown and black interior with black ash wood trim on the dash and silver accenting trims all around. Three-position memory seating for both driver and passenger. All four windows are fully automatic. There is the trunk release button, AMG aluminum door sill, brown leather seat with black stitching, 14-way power adjustment seat, including 4-way power lumbar support, a memory system for driver and passenger seat, recall 3-store position for the seat, plus the power side mirror. Beautiful two-tone interior colors. AMG aluminum pedals. Alright, let's start the vehicle and see how it sounds. Let's pop the hood and see what's in it. Under the hood is a handcraft AMG 2-liter turbo inline 4-cylinder engine with 7-speed AMG speed shift transmission, pushing out 355 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 332 pound-feet of torque at 2,250 RPM. Can hit from 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds. Very impressive for a 4-cylinder engine. The 3-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in leather with perforated side grips and silver accenting in the middle. Features a racing-inspired flat-bottom design, convenient multi-function control located side by side. A pair of shift paddle is positioned behind the upper steering wheel spokes, allow you to manually upshift and downshift the 7-speed transmission with just a flick of your fingers. Here is the control for the headlamp as well as the fog light for the rear. The 4-point star air vent. The upper dash and the upper door panel are wrapped in brown leather with black stitching. The 7-inch LCD display with 80GB hard drive, black ash wood trim, and the 3 4-point star air vent. Here is your multimedia controlled, telephone controlled, heated seat, traction control off, dual climate control, cigarette lighter, ashtray, here is the AMG gear lever, up for reverse. Once you're in reverse, the backup camera will display on the screen with guidance line. Slightly down to go back to neutral. and down again for drive. Press the P for park. 3 different driving mode: sport, manual, and comfort. This is the control to your navigation screen, back and clear button. Right, you can move the knob around to scroll through screen. Press down to select, and you can also move the knob up, down, left, or right. There's the 2 cup holder, center storage compartment, glove box compartment, one touch open, close, and tilt panorama roof button. The panorama roof offering sweeping skywards view to both front and rear seats passenger. This giant, fully functional glass sunroof can tilt up for ventilation or slide over to the rear panel for an open air feeling. A power interior shade let occupants vary the amount of sunlight entering the cabin. And this is an upgraded option, which is very nice to have. Light for the back, light, emergency roadside assistance, universal garage door opener. Here is the sun visor mirror with the card holder. Alright, let's get into the back seat and see how it feels. The back seat can also be folded 60 by 40 split if you ever need to fold it down for more cargo space. Again, beautiful two-tone color. Here is the view to the front cabin. Very nice. I'm 5'8" and my leg room is okay, almost touched the seat. Headrooms is okay, did not touch the roof. And the back window is also automatic. 2 air vent for the rear passenger, as well as the 12-volt power outlet and a ashtray. The rear Harman Kardon speaker, light control. Alright, let's look at the panorama roof from the outside. That's how it looked tilting. And let's slide it back all the way back and see how it looked. Very nice. Right, let's pop the trunk. The trunk of the CLA offers 13.1 cubic feet of cargo space. Here is the additional storage space. Like I mentioned earlier, you can fold the seat down for more cargo space if needed. Alright, the headroom for the back is 35.6 with panorama roof, and without panorama roof is 35.4. Leg room is 27.1 inch, shoulder room is 53.2 inches. Right, the passenger side gets basically everything the driver side gets. The AMG aluminum door sill, power seat adjustment with power lumbar support, and 3-position memory seating as well. The CLA45 AMG offers seats for 5 people. Overall, the interior cabins look and feel like a traditional Mercedes-Benz. Alright guys, leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think about the CLA45, and I'll see you guys next time.